Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say your seat. Your big toe need no 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in at the street. Hey big foot.
I just left work.
All right,
I'm coming
so
home right
I'll
now.
see you when
okay?
you get home.
All right, babe. Love you. Coming home soon.
Oh, that. Watch out, watch out. Watch out. Brother. Wait, you upset. Brother, you good? Don't look good, you know?
Yeah, hello, the cab outside? Alright, cool. Yeah, alright. Just to make you know before you drive off, you know. The seat will cost you more money. What do you mean? What do you mean, how me mean? Right now, you're sitting in first class. This is a first class seat. So you have to pay more to travel this up. What do you mean? Let me ask you something. When you go up on a plane, which part first class then? Up at the front. So if you sit down on this seat in at the front, this is first class. Not only that you're going to reach your destination quicker than if you sit down around there, so. So this is a first class seat. More money. But then easy, broke pocket boy. Just to make you aware, right now you're sitting in business class, first class and business class. So which part make to sit down? And we have the trunk available. Trunk is economy. You never go on plane, you don't know plane work at first class, business class and economy. So if you want to travel around this, go around this. You know what? It's alright, man, no bother. Yeah, come out of the cab and go about your business. If you don't have no money to pay for taxi, don't call no taxi again. Go ahead, your pocket boy.
No good life. I lay with you, make myself at home. Make you feel like you're in control. Take my time, I'm gonna take it slow. Make you.
Wait, Rupert, where you get them kind of tune from? Oh, hey, Kevin. All you gotta do is download Deezer. Wait, now the same app that will play all of the new music.
Slow baby when you wine party. Slow baby when you wine party. Whoa baby when you wine party. Slow baby when you wine party.
I will make them come back after them they come. They are disease. They sit there. I will call when they have to come back.
I don't know, I first time I watch it too.
Oh, I first.
I watch it either.
I first I watch it. Okay. So I will make them come back after them dead. If them spirit now work again. If them life now work or them come back.
I'm supposed to know that I'm not watch it yet.
Oh, you know watch it? Okay. So how the disease work? Oh, you work because me want. Wait, well, I see a man that the man begging when you see what they. Why? I him don't it. Him never know say I come here, come back and take the man girl. Yo, you can't trust man run here, don't it, Jermaine? Don't it. Wait, Jermaine say if you never get bite out. Oh, you know watch it? So if he never get bite out, but you me not understand, Jermaine.
I don't know.
Oh, you know watch it? But you me not understand.
I don't know. I don't know.
But wait, no, Jermaine.
I don't know.
If me not understand. But me not understand.
Me not know.
But wait.
Mommy, you there about? It's who that? So it's what breeze blowing down the massa?
Yes, I come look for you, you know.
Hello?
Miss Marshall.
Yes,
Paul,
Dennis.
down there.
I'm not here, Dennis.
Miss Marshall. Me know say him there, you know.
Dennis,
Cause every
me say
time
him
me
is
and him
not
argue,
here.
man down the tail like some little gal.
Hello, Butterfoot Pitney. What me say him not there? You know say me there on the same page from day one. Don't make me have nothing. You hear me? Him not there. Explain. What other little argument, mommy? May I tell you from a long time for left that girl. You gonna make she breathe fear 3 times. 3 times. And then you find out one of the Pitney them not fear when I still stay with her. You better leave her, you know. You better leave her. Cha.
My mother, Miss Jackie, was a great woman. I used to wash the dishes and clean the yard.
What? You talk about you wash dishes, where you wash dishes go? And I tell people say you're a yard, you're a damn liar. And you, Antoine, and you, my blood clot, blood pressure run up, my blood pressure busting on my head. And Merle, why the fuck you didn't have a blood clot funeral?
You see why me don't want to come and just funeral, because I don't like the bitch, you know. You start dead long time.
Blood clot.
Mommy, me hungry.
Antoine, me tired of you, and me speak can't
Jackie, where my money there, Jackie?
Trevor, me sorry, but me not have no more money for you.
The toilet paper on about the place.
Oh, you know, we not none of that.
What you say?
So we not none of that.
So you can go buy one for me?
Yeah, but me herb, you know, I can't go buy the toilet paper for you, you know, dog.
Time I need, you know, man, you can't buy the
yo,
thing.
me I send my you, me about me herb, my you. I can't buy no toilet paper for your dog. You see me?
Give me 2 of the Rizla.
What?
Give me 2 of the Rizla, please.
What you want to Rizla for?
Make a bill 2.
Yo, Marvin, yo, what your name? Should I take up stone for dog? For slapping your ass, cause you have no sense.
There's some things in life where I don't think we realize the magnitude of how important they are until them don't dead end. Number 1, this. You ever go to the bathroom yet and look for this? And see this? This, you see? This. I'm bored as a youth. I ain't have nothing to do. I know a young boy do when you're bored. I look for a dresser for this. But instead, it's empty. You know, so tonight I could be a dry night. Tonight I could be a dry night. Just a dry night. One of the most important things to life is this. And I think I know how important this key. This a key. The key are the key to the city. The key. You see this a turning up. I just this. The way that key is serious. Let me just gonna put this down before me last.
Oh, Dad, can I borrow £100? You need £100 for, son? My mates are going skydiving tomorrow. I want to go with them. Oh, sweet. Sounds like fun. Here you go, son. Enjoy yourself. Yo, Dada. Yes, my son. You can lend me £100, please? £100 for do what? I need it for go skydiving with my brethren them tomorrow. Skydiving? With my £100? You mad? You know so them something that dangerous. Now you imagine you jump out of the plane and the chute don't come out. You land on the floor flat like a pancake and dead. Now tell me something. How do I get back my £100 from a dead man? But nobody come tell me about but nothing. You must see money I grew up on tree I come talk about £100 skydiving. You want skydive? Grab a pillowcase and go climb a tree and jump off of that. And that you fi do. Go suck your mother. Yo, you tryna go to South Beach, dog?
Hell yeah, I'm bored, nigga. Sure. Yeah, dog. Drinks on me too. Everything on me.
Everything on you, man?
Everything on me.
Alright, lit. So we can go to fucking rock bar. We go to fucking Willy Wet Tuesdays or whatever the fuck that shit called. Nigga, we lit.
Everything is on me.
I'm about to call my niggas. They on you too?
I got them.
Nigga, dead ass?
Dead ass, dog. Everything on me, son.
We lit, boy.
Use the bathroom real quick.
Alright, go use your shit.
I would like to know my PayPal balance.
Okay, your balance is $3.50.
I already told everybody to come.
Todd, I.
Get the fuck out of my house.
Yo,
Yo, just get the fuck out of my house, son. Yo, dead ass, boy.
Todd,
Dead ass,
really,
boy.
Todd,
You gotta get the fuck
no,
up out
Todd,
this
I had it.
Yeah, you thought my dick,
Todd, I had
boy.
it.
Like, what is wrong
Todd,
with you,
I had
son?
it.
Like, you thought you had it. I called
Todd,
exes, boy. I called people. I don't talk to no more, son. $3, you barely got yourself, boy. Dead ass. My nigga, I hurt bad. I called her back, boy. For this, you ain't got me.
I thought it.
Facebook era, back at it again. I know when me come to talk, I know when me come to talk. For man, me still look a dirty football, I put up meme. I can't talk about this and talk about that. When I put up a meme, when I pick their ask for some money in a game. When I put up a meme, when your son call and say want some new shoes in a game. When I put up a meme, when your woman a throw you out. When I put up a meme, when you're there on the couch. When I put up a meme, when you're in a people pants. Somehow no dirty girl now. When I put up meme, when you're in your friend wig. When I put up meme, when you're in your friend blood clot clothes. Who not stress out the hero? Who not stress out the hero? Put up a meme when you pay your rent. Put up a meme when you have your blood clot tag future. Put up a meme. Who not stress me out on this blood clot meme, you know? I'm not a brother, you know. Why? But you know meme on the blood clot.
It is better to be thought of as a fool, than to open your mouth and remove all doubt. Now with that said, who can use the word feline in a sentence? Me, sir. Go ahead. Sir, one time my father came home and he just started beating me. I said, Daddy, where you beat me for? And he said, me ask you who break your lampshade and you say, I never you. And he beat me. And I said, me sorry, Daddy, me sorry for break your lampshade. He said, I know that can't beat you for. So I said, Daddy, where you beat me for? He said, me I beat you feline.
But I'm just a soul whose intentions
Where me I go? Before Carnival, dog. Ultimate cool effect out here. Eh? So here, dog. Here. How time? 8 o'clock, dog. Well, 8:01 to be exact. 8:01, dog. Oh, man, why you say this shop down late, dog? Out here, my own. Oh, calm down, man. What's so special with this upon yo? I want a girl to see a post this up on social media, brother. Me have to reach there early. Out here, my own. Plus, me so me can win one extra Carnival bun. My own. And party drinks inclusive before you. Yo, I'm gonna change right now. Me see you over there, dog.
We jamming still, be building.
That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what you would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Kanil Clark. Peace.